Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for checking out this video. So I'm about to show you how to do a sun salutation. So after I show you how to do the sun salutation, which is 7 different poses all linked together, I'm going to show you how to link them together with your breath, and then we're going to do about 8 more, and then you'll be on your way, then you'll be done. So if this is your first time, maybe watch the first few, and then, jump in. So yeah, other than that, go ahead and roll out your mat, and let's get started. So come to the back of your mat, seated. You can either sit cross-legged or sit on your heels and your knees, or you can start in child's pose. It's up to you. We're gonna first get started with 5 breaths. So just close your eyes and start to focus on your breath. You don't have to control your breath necessarily, just start to notice it. And if you have any thoughts going through your mind right now, just let them pass. You don't have to stop them. You don't have to control them. Just finish up that last thought and then start to focus more on the breath. And you'll notice your body almost immediately start to calm down. Take one more final inhale and exhale here. And now walk your hands out in front of you, so come onto all fours. Then step both feet back behind you, coming into an upward push-up plank pose. And then from here, flex your heels back behind you. So you want to press your heels back as if you're trying to get like a calf stretch here. And make sure both hands are directly underneath your shoulders still, and that your inner elbows are turned forward. Then lift your hips up and back to down dog. So keep your heels pressing down just as they were in that plank pose, and press your chest down and back toward your feet. And to get a little bit more flexion here, look down at the mat right in front of your face and try to touch your nose down to the ground. Now you don't have to go all the way, that's not the point here. The point is just to get a little bit more flexion in your back. And in your first down dog, go ahead and bend your knees left and right, swing your hips side to side, and then start to walk your feet forward up into your hands, slowly, 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 coming to a forward fold at the front of your mat. And then take a slow inhale to a halfway lift, so bring your chest up to the same height as your hips, and then fold back down to a forward fold. And in this first forward fold, go ahead and keep your knees slightly bent, actually bent quite a bit. And then you can drop your head down, make sure your head's nice and relaxed. Take a slow deep breath and let it go. And now slowly stand yourself all the way up. Roll your shoulders back and down. Maybe take a couple of shoulder rolls here. And then as you inhale, reach both arms up toward the sky. And as you exhale, bring both hands down toward your chest. Now keep your shoulders pulling down just a little bit and slightly back. Keep your hips tucked forward just a little bit. Keep your chest pressing up, so you want to keep your spine nice and long while you're here, and keep your knees slightly bent. So every time we come back to the standing pose, we're going to land with our knees bent, slightly bent, hips tucked, chest up, the whole shebang, so you get a nice perfect posture every time. Now from here, inhale and lift both arms up. Exhale and fold forward, timing your breath to your movement. Then inhale, lift up. Exhale and fold. Actually, you want to time your movement to your breath. So plant your hands, step both feet back to plank pose, and we'll take a cobra pose just for this first one. So lower down all the way down to the mat, and then lift your chest up. So lift your back and your chest up off the mat. Keep both hands barely touching the mat. So almost no weight in your hands. And then fold back down, so come flat, plant your hands, press yourself up to plank pose, and back to down dog. So from here on out, we'll do 1 breath per movement and just keep this nice and fluid. So as you inhale, bend your knees, look forward, almost like you're squatting back, like you're about to pounce. As you exhale, take 2 big steps forward into your hands for a forward fold. Then inhale to a halfway lift. Exhale as you fold forward. And then inhale to stand up, this time with a flat back, reach way up. Exhale your hands down to your chest, coming back into that prayer pose, Tadasana, perfect posture here. And then inhale and reach up. Exhale and fold forward, sweep your arms out and down. Then inhale to a halfway lift. Exhale and fold down, plant your hands, step back to plank pose. This time lower down to a low push-up, so you can drop your knees if you need to. Lower down halfway, and then inhale to up dog. Straighten your arms, tuck your toe, well, don't tuck your toes, but point your toes back. You want your hips to land a little closer to your hands, and then lift your hips up and up and up and back to down dog. Then inhale, look forward, bend your knees. As you exhale, walk or jump forward to a forward fold. Inhale to a halfway lift. Exhale as you fold forward again. Then inhale all the way up to stand. Exhale your hands down to your chest. Relax your shoulders. Take a slight bend in your knees. Then inhale, lift up. Exhale as you fold forward. Inhale to a halfway lift. Exhale as you fold, step back to plank pose, lower down halfway. Inhale to up dog. Exhale up and back to down dog. Then inhale, bend your knees, squat back. Exhale, float forward to a forward fold, take a halfway lift. Exhale as you fold down. Inhale as you stand up. Exhale as you bring your hands down to your chest. Inhale, lift up, take a slight tuck of your hips. Exhale as you hinge forward at your hips. Then inhale, lift your chest up, get your chest and shoulders at the same height as your hips. Then fold down, plant your hands, step back to plank pose, halfway down chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. Exhale up and back to down dog. Then inhale, look forward, bend your knees. And exhale, float forward to a forward fold and halfway lift. Exhale and fold. Inhale as you stand all the way up, reach up. Exhale your hands down to your chest. Then inhale, lift up. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold, step back to plank pose, chaturanga. Inhale. Exhale, back to down dog. Then again, inhale, look forward, bend your knees. Exhale, float, jump, walk forward to forward fold, halfway lift, inhale. Exhale and fold down. Inhale as you stand up, reach way up. Exhale your hands down to your chest. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale and fold. Float, jump back to plank pose, lower down halfway or all the way if you need to. Inhale, up dog, straight arms, straight legs, point your toes back. Exhale and lead with your hips back to down dog. Inhale, bend your knees, look forward. Exhale, walk or jump forward to a forward fold, take a halfway lift. Exhale and fold down. Inhale as you stand up, reach way up. Exhale your hands down to your chest. Good. Slight bend in your knees. Roll your shoulders back and down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, sweep your arms out and down as you fold forward. Inhale to a halfway lift. Exhale as you fold, step back to plank pose, lower down halfway down to the mat. Inhale to up dog. Exhale up and back to down dog. Good. 3 more. Inhale, bend your knees, squat back. Exhale, float forward, take a halfway lift. Exhale and fold. Inhale all the way up to stand, reach up. Exhale your hands down to your chest. Inhale, reach way up, keep reaching till you're done inhaling. Exhale and fold, keep folding till you're done exhaling. Inhale up to a halfway lift. Exhale all in one breath, plant your hands, step back to plank pose, lower down chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. Exhale up and back to down dog. 2 more. Bend your knees, look forward, squat back. Exhale, float forward, take a halfway lift. Exhale and fold down. Keep folding till you're done exhaling. Then inhale all the way up. Keep reaching up till you're done inhaling. Exhale your hands down to your chest. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale and fold. Plant your hands, step back to plank pose, chaturanga. Either all the way down or bend your knees down to the mat. Inhale to up dog. Exhale, up and back to down dog. Now I'll let you take this last one all on your own. You can look up at me for a visual cue if you need to. But we'll just do it silently and begin. Inhale and exhale. Now we'll go ahead and bring both knees back down to the mat. You can drop yourself down to child's pose or cross your legs, sit seated, sit cross-legged. We'll just take 5 breaths to bring our bodies back to neutral. Bring your mind back to neutral. Maybe notice if there's any difference between when you started and where you are now. Maybe there isn't. Maybe there is. But just notice, just observe where you are. And much like watching waves come in and out at the beach, you can watch your breath as well and get just as entranced by it. Take one more final breath, breathing your breath all the way down into your belly, keeping your spine nice and erect, relax shoulders. And as you exhale, fully let that breath go. And bring both hands to your chest for prayer pose. And may the highest and best in me see the highest and best in all of you. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste. So there you go, 10 sun salutations. Maybe you only did 5. Maybe you did 6. Maybe you did 1 and then walked away. Either way, this is a really good daily practice to incorporate into your mornings, into your afternoons, whatever. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. You can subscribe if you want. And if you know anybody who could benefit from this, go ahead and share this video with them. So thank you all so much for showing up and have a great day. See you later.